Hi, what's going on, everyone? We're going to try to answer this question. Is Ondo Finance a buy? Should you buy it? Should you wait till the market comes down a little bit lower in price? Because that has been the recent price action in Ondo. You guys can see that the trend has been down ever since the beginning of June. Here it is, about to enter August, and the market is still trending down for Ondo. So will you come in and buy it now at 96 cents? Or would you buy it around 64? Let's talk about it. Now, before I do, check this out. You guys can see that we did a price prediction in Ondo Finance back here in April. We had the idea that Ondo was going to trend up in price. And for the most part, back then, it just simply consolidated. And then we finally got that breakout. So as long as the market in Ondo maintained the strength and trade within a range and held our buy zone, we knew we were good. There wasn't no rush. The market in Ondo, the buyers continued to confirm from April all the way into May that, hey, I'm still looking bullish. The price didn't even crack our buy zone down here. So we were still good. So it wasn't no rush. And then the market hit our ultimate TP price on May 23rd, 22.12%. Now, if you held on until the high that came into the market in Ondo Finance right around here, kudos. Like, there's no need to be angry, upset. You got 72% out that move. Pretty good call. Excellent job. So now the question is, can Ondo continue to go higher though? Because if I were to extend this trend line, what just happened? What just happened to the price in Ondo? Because recently, you guys can see here that the market was keeping in line with this trend line. It was holding that trend line until July. Something changed. Something broke into the market in Ondo right there, July the 5th. And then the crazy part is that once price fell below that trend line on July the 5th, it even tried to break back up above that trend line on the 11th, and it failed still. So these buyers, they attempted, but they wasn't successful at trying to keep that trend up. So this already tells us, hey, we shouldn't be bullish right now in Ondo Finance. So we're not going to be bullish right now. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to take this sell zone up here and move it higher to where the highs into the market in Ondo came. Okay. Now, if you were to put that sell zone here on June the 4th in Ondo, and then you guys saw this particular data where the market hit that sell zone, that was a dead giveaway that this cryptocurrency is weak. Right there. June the 14th, that told you that the buyers were unsuccessful at taking these sellers out at this sell zone, and the market completely went down ever since then. Okay. So next thing we can do is we can draw the trend into the market in Ondo Finance. Just like we did on the ascending line, this downtrend line is going to tell us the same thing. We need to see if the buyers will break this downtrend. Okay. And then I'm going to create this other sell zone. We're just marking the field. That's all we're doing. We're just showing you where price buyers are and price sellers are. We need to know where these people are at. So when we do our price prediction, we won't be nervous, we won't be scared, we won't question, because we're already pinpointing our opponent may be at this particular price. Okay, so now this is a buy zone right here though. So just like we identified the sellers, this is where buyers are. So now what we're going to do is look at these different time frames real quick. Here it is on the weekly chart for Ondo. You guys tell me, are you bullish, are you bearish? Because from a weekly perspective, this market may in fact begin to be bullish. Okay, you can see that. Here it is on the 2 weeks. We have 8 hours and 8 minutes left. That doesn't look too bullish to me though. Now, if we see the market in Ondo in the next 8 hours close up here at the high of the bar, then yeah, the market is bullish. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, so we're definitely seeing buyers trying to step in this particular cryptocurrency right now. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Here it is on the 4-day chart. So how do you guys feel? What do you guys think? Will you come in and buy some of this particular cryptocurrency, or would you wait? Who do you think is dominating the price action? Is it the buyers? Is it the sellers? I think we have a little bit lower to go into the market in Ondo. Matter of fact, we can take this over here. So I would say that this may be the biggest area that we may see buyers in Ondo try to hit. This may be the ultimate point to where they're going to try to come to. Okay. So these are going to be our zones, because right now I think the cryptocurrency space for Ondo is a little bit weaker, but it's not extremely weak. I'm not saying that this crypto is going to crash. I think that the power currently resides with the sellers. Now, for them to relinquish that power, the buyers will have to hold these two buy zones right here. So I'm going to target, off of this price prediction, Ondo Finance attracting buyers at this first target. Okay, so around 90 to 86 cents. That will give us 10% on the low end. But then my second target is going to be down here to where we already know that there's a guap of buyers right here. There's a whole bunch of people who bought Ondo right there in that range. So maybe this will be the second location that the buyers will be successful and stop the move from going lower. So that would be my second target there though. Okay. And then let's go ahead and drop this sell zone here for Ondo. And I'll be finished. Then you guys will be up next with the comment section open to give me your price prediction. Okay. And we'll see which one is correct. But if you guys appreciate my videos and content, as always, welcome aboard. I'm here to give you all a different view, a different understanding as to how you can predict, and yes, I did say predict, where prices are trying to go, all without being confused. Everyone else is out there giving you technical analysis. They're using Elliott waves, stochastics, RSIs, MACDs. They're using the solar radiation of the moon circumference on certain months of the year. I get it. But we really need to focus in on what is the price action showing us, because this is actually a language. The chart is a language, and if you're able to decipher that language, you can actually get ahead of your opponent. So you guys want to learn more, join me. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.